Well, one of my biggest mistakes has finally arrived. This right here absolutely is something I can't believe I did, but I wanted to try it out for you guys. And well, the shoe finally arrived. So let me know in the comment section down below if any of you guys have done the StockX mystery boxes, because this one is trash. I always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. I like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with Rob, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell that we get all the notifications every time I drop on these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealHegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfect Brims, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. Make sure you guys are tuned into the tech channel as we dropped another video to make sure you're checking it out at Tech with Forrest. But you guys, today's video is something that I have to be honest, I tried out for you guys to see if it was going to be worth it, if you were just going to lose money instantly, and well, the chances were you're going to lose money pretty quickly. And well, that's what happened to me. Got a shoe that, one, didn't really like, then I had to trade it in for StockX credit if I wanted that, or have it shipped to me for another $33 extra. I went ahead, got it shipped to me to see how long it would take for it to get here. It only took about a week and everything once I hit it. And well, again, it's a shoe I'm definitely not keeping. So let me know in the comment section down below, or hit me up on Instagram if this is a sneaker that you guys want. It is a size 10. And again, I will hook you guys up. I'm not trying to make money off you guys or anything like that. I'm just going to give it to you guys for that retail plus shipping, just like I always do. But without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this shoe. All right, you guys, got the box right here. And this was, I guess, like an express order, anything or something like that, even though it didn't really arrive whenever most of the express orders would have. It took it like a week. I kind of expected it in like 2 to 3 days. So again, not too bad, and definitely not too bad for a sneaker that, well, one, I really didn't want. So again, shout out to StockX. They had the idea, and I mean, they got me for 200 bucks. So oh well. But as you guys can see, you do have that Nike SB box right here. I will tell you guys, it's the Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS, which is quick strike. It is the white metallic silver and white colorway, size 10, and it is HQ8487. The style number, color code is 100. Boom and boom. In that size 10, we are going to open this up together, just like always, on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And here you guys have it, the Nike Dunk Low Supreme in the white metallic silver colorway. Again, not a shoe I want, not a shoe I wanted. I was hoping for actually something that I would wear, and I'd be like, all right, you know what, I'll just go ahead and keep it. Not the case though. Not the case though. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. You of course have 94 on the back, and you have Supreme on the midsole as well. The insoles, you have the Nike SB and the Supreme and everything. You do also have the StockX thing right here, the verification hang tag they always put on there and everything. You have the Nike SB Supreme hang tag. The cool thing is, I will give it to them, they put the little metal thing right here instead of the flimsy little thing you can just cut. That, I think, always, I wish that they would do that for every sneaker that has a hang tag, but oh well. I will say leather quality is great. Leather quality is great. I will give that to them. But for me personally, just not a sneaker that I needed, not one I wanted. And honestly, it's one that, again, I paid like $250 something for this after shipping, taxes, processing fee, everything like that. And whenever you look at it, I'll tell you guys exactly what it's going for right now. In the white metallic silver colorway, a size 10, the lowest ask is $178. If you were to sell this on StockX at $163 is the highest bid, you're going to sell it, and you are going to get, after fees and everything, $138. So I lost $120 for this shoe if I was to just sell it on StockX, which, as you guys know, whenever you look at everything, retail price was $135. So even if you hit these for retail plus their shipping, it would literally be $135 plus 10% sales tax for me, and probably a ridiculous shipping fee from Supreme. So either way, doesn't really matter. You're losing if you buy this shoe at retail or anything. So in my opinion, this is one that honestly StockX got me. StockX got me. It is what it is. I wanted to try it out to give you guys a lot of information on it, and well, now we've got it figured out. I'll show you guys the other shoe. I'm not really like sure if it comes with extra laces or anything, which it does. It comes with a set of gray laces. Other than that, I mean, the gray laces might hit off the white, but for me, I mean, the bottom's gray. That's the only thing. And the Nike swoosh is gray. You do have that metallic silver on the tongue and on the back of the Nike. Other than that, you guys, again, just not a shoe I would wear. Just literally not a shoe I would wear. So if this is a shoe you guys want, once again, hit me up on Instagram or let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be able to get it out to you guys tomorrow. And that's really all I can say about this one. It's not a great sneaker at all. Again, it's a loss of about 120 if you look at it whenever you go to sell it on StockX and what I paid for it on StockX. Even though they're saying the market value is 223, well, the market value for them is what the fee, what it is, StockX lowest ask after fees. That's what they are saying the market value is, whenever we know that is not the case. Whenever we are going to trade something in or going to sell it or anything like that, that is not the case. So not really worth it. Now, if you got a sneaker that you wanted in your collection and you wanted to wear it and everything, and you actually didn't spend as much, well then, okay, that's a big W right there. Because again, it's all personal choice, basically. Like, if you hit a sneaker that you wanted, well then great. If you didn't, well then you're someone like me that gets stuck with a shoe that they really did not want. And me, I'm not the biggest dunk guy. I like the SB Dunk Low Chicagos and all that, but like the J-Packs, but outside of that, no, I'm good. This right here is, again, one I was just trying out for you guys to give you guys some information. And well, hopefully I don't get stuck with these, because this is one I do not want in my collection. I don't think it needs to be in my collection, but hopefully we get that figured out. Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, if you guys tried out StockX mystery boxes or not. Is this something you guys would want to try out? Do you want me to try another one? Let me know, because if you guys want me to try another one, I'll try it again, but I really don't want to be honest. But it is what it is. Oh well, if I hit for something great, I probably wouldn't be as upset or talk trash about it. But to me, whenever you have a 97% chance to lose, it's not good odds. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys plan on doing, and if you guys want these, hit me up on Instagram. Love you guys, appreciate y'all, and make sure you guys check out tomorrow's video. Love y'all, peace.